Hello dear students, I welcomes all of you in lecture 6 of linear algebra first. Unit first, system of equation and matrices. In last few lectures we study non-homogeneous system of linear equations and solve some problems on these. In today's lecture we solve some more problems on non-homogeneous system of linear equations. In this lecture we solve some more problems on non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Non-homogeneous system of linear equations let Ax is equal to b be a system of linear equations in matrix form if b not equal to 0, then given system of linear equation is non-homogeneous. Then its solution includes three cases. First case, first, if length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A is equal to n, where length of augmented matrix AB is length of augmented matrix AB. Length of matrix A is length of matrix A. N number of unknown. If row AB, that means length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A is equal to number of unknown, then given system of non-homogeneous linear equations is consistent and has unique solution second case, if length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A, but it is less than n, that means number of unknown, then system is consistent but it has infinitely many solutions. Third case, if length of augmented matrix AB is not equal to length of matrix A, then system of non-homogeneous linear equation is inconsistent and has no solution. Okay student, these three cases arises for solving non-homogeneous system of linear equation. Example, example 5, for what values of lambda the equations x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to lambda, and last equation is x plus 4y plus 10z is equal to lambda square have a solution and solve completely in each case. Okay, this is a problem. In this problem, they ask for what values of lambda the equations x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to lambda, x plus 4y plus 10z is equal to lambda square have a solution and solve completely in each case. This is a given system of equation solution. Given system of equation is x plus 2y, x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to lambda, x plus 4y plus 10z equal to lambda square. This is given system of linear equation. We write given system of equation in matrix form. X is equal to B. Therefore, matrix A is, first column is coefficient of x. Therefore, coefficient of x in first equation is 1. Coefficient of x in second equation is also 1. And coefficient of x in third equation is 1. Then second column is coefficient of y. Coefficient of y in first equation is 1. Coefficient of y in second equation is 2. Coefficient of y in third equation is 4. Then third column is of coefficient of z. Coefficient of z in equation first is 1. Coefficient of z in second equation is 4. And coefficient of z in third equation is 10. This is the coefficient matrix. Then second matrix is of variable or unknown matrix. Here unknown is x, y and z. Therefore this is a column matrix of unknown is equal to matrix. This is a matrix of solution, that means constant of RHS 1 lambda and lambda square. This is a system of linear equation in matrix form. Consider aggregated matrix. For solving this equation, we consider aggregated matrix. Consider aggregated matrix. A, B. Therefore, aggregated matrix A and aggregated matrix AB is equal to matrix one, 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 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 10. Vertical line, and the elements of solution matrix 1, matrix B, 1 lambda and lambda square. Matrix complete. This is aggregated matrix. For solving this, we apply row operation on this aggregated matrix. Applying row operations on augmented matrix AB. This is first row R1, this second row R2, this is R1, R2 and row 3 R3, row 1, row 2 and row 3. Apply. For solving these equations, we make 0 at position A21, that is this position, and also make 0 at position A31, and in next step we make 0 at position A32. This is the next part. Okay. All in first column all entries are equal, therefore this is simple types of matrix. Here we apply two operations, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Row first is as it is, therefore we get matrix. First row is as it is, there is no change in first row. 1 1 1 and 1. Matrix complete. R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 4 minus 1 3. Okay. Lambda minus 1 is a lambda minus 1. Okay. For next operation, R3 minus R1, R3, this is R3 minus R1, R1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 is 3, 10 minus 1 9 and lambda square minus 1. This is a matrix obtained by two operations on row R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Now our aim is to make 0 at position this A3 2 using row 2 R2 and R3. Using row 2 make A32 is 0, this entry is 0 using row 3. Then we take one operations on row R3 minus 3R2. Then we get matrix first row as it is 1 1 1 and 1. Second row there is no change in second row also, therefore 0 1 3 and lambda minus 1. In third row there is changes due to row 3. Our first entry is 0, next 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. 9 minus 3 into 3 9 minus 9 9 minus 9 is also 0 and lambda square minus 1 lambda square minus 1 minus 3 is equal to lambda square minus 4 lambda square minus 4. Sorry this entry is 0, but for this we take lambda square minus 1 minus 3 into lambda minus 1. This implies that lambda minus 1 into lambda plus 1 minus 3 lambda minus 1. Taking lambda minus 1 is common, we get lambda plus 1 minus 3. Therefore this entry is lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2. Therefore at this entry we get lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2. So this is required matrix. For solving or getting solution, we consider three cases one by one. In first case first, length of matrix A is equal to length of matrix augmented matrix AB is equal to n number of unknown. Okay, if then it has unique solution. Here length of matrix A, length of this matrix, this is matrix A. What is length of matrix A? Is there is two non-zero rows. Third row is 0, therefore there is only two non-zero rows, therefore length of matrix A is 2. And n is equal to number of unknown is 3. Hence length of matrix A is equal to 2 is less than n is equal to 3. Hence so there does not exist unique solution. In this case there is no unique solution, because if you take lambda minus 1 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0, that is length of augmented matrix is also 2, but number of unknown is 3, therefore length of augmented matrix is equal to length of matrix A is less than number of unknown. Therefore in this case we didn't get unique solution. Okay, for this problem there is no unique solution. Case second, if length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A is less than n number of unknown, then it has infinitely many solutions. Here length of matrix A is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and length of augmented matrix AB is 3. To make length of augmented matrix AB is equal to 2, we take or lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 must be equal to 0. This implies that lambda minus 1 equal to 0 or lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that lambda is equal to 1 or lambda is equal to 2. Therefore given system has infinitely many solutions. lambda is equal to 1 and lambda is equal to 2. Now we study case 3. No solution. If lambda A, length of matrix A, is not equal to length of matrix AB, then system of equation has no solution. Here length of matrix A is equal to 2 and length of matrix AB, aggregate matrix AB, is equal to 3 when lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 not equal to 0. This implies that lambda is not equal to 1 and lambda is not equal to 2. Therefore, when lambda not equal to 1 and 2, then given system has no solution. Okay student, we understand the problem and its solution. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please call me or send me message and ask for any query or doubt. Okay, now we take last examples on this point. Example 6. Investigate the values of lambda and mu so that the equations two x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 9, 7x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 8, 2x plus 3y minus 2z sorry 2x plus 3y plus lambda z is equal to mu have first no solution, second a unique solution, third and infinite number of solution. Solution. write given system of equations in matrix form. Ax is equal to b as follows. Matrix A is the matrix of coefficient. Then in first column we take coefficient of x. In first equation coefficient of x is 2. Second equation coefficient of x is 7, and in third equation coefficient of x is 2. This is coefficient of x. Then in second column we take coefficient of y. In this system coefficient of y is 3, 3 and 3, and in last column take coefficient of z, 5, -2 and plus lambda. This is coefficient matrix. Then in next we take matrix of unknown. Here there are 3 unknowns, x, y, z, equal to matrix of unknown, solution matrix 9, 8 and mu. This is solution matrix. For solving this equation we take augmented matrix. Consider augmented matrix AB and apply row operations on it to make first entry in row second and third, that is A21 equal to 0 and A31 is equal to 0. In to make first entry in row second and third is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Using first row. Okay. So consider augmented matrix AB is equal to matrix two, 3, 5, 7, 3, -2, 2, 3, lambda, and element in solution matrix B is 9, 8 and mu. Okay, this is augmented matrix. Now we apply row operations on this matrix. This is row 1, row 2 and row 3. Using row 1, we make this entry 0, and also using row first, we make this entry is 0. We apply operations 2R2. 2R2, 2 into 7 is 14, and 7 into 2 is 14, minus 7R1. And next operation is R3 minus R1. So we get reduced system as so first row is as it is, because we not apply any operation on row first. Therefore first row is as it is, 2, 3, 5 and 9. In second row we apply one operation 2R2 minus 7R1. 2 into 7 is 14, minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 7 into 3 is 21. 6 minus 21 is minus 15. Next is minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 4 into 7 into 5, minus 34. 5 minus 35 minus 4, minus 39. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 minus 63 is equal to 46 or 47, minus 47 minus 47. R3 minus R1, for this we get 0. 3 minus 3 is 0, lambda minus 5, and last entry is mu minus 9. This is reduced form of system. We consider case first. Which is no solution. If length of augmented matrix AB is not equal to length of matrix A, then system of equation has no solution. Here length of augmented matrix AB is equal to 3, and length of augmented matrix A is equal to also 3. Therefore if mu minus 9 is equal to 0, implies that mu is equal to 9, then length of augmented matrix AB is equal to 2. Therefore and length of matrix A is equal to 2 when lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies that lambda is equal to 5. Hence, if lambda is equal to 5, then given system in given system has no solution because length of matrix A is equal to 2 is not equal to length of augmented matrix AB, which is equal to 3. Okay. Consider case second. A unique solution. For unique solution, length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A is equal to n number of unknown. Here n is equal to 3. Therefore, length of augmented matrix AB must be equal to length of matrix A, implies that lambda minus 5 lambda minus 5 and not equal to 0 and mu minus 9 is also not equal to 0. This implies that lambda is not equal to 5 and mu is not equal to 9 for unique solution. Consider last case, case third. An infinite solution. For an infinite solution, length of augmented matrix AB is equal to length of matrix A, but it is less than n. Here n is equal to 3. Therefore, length of augmented matrix AB must be equal to length of AB is equal to 2. Therefore, this implies that lambda minus 5 equal to 0 and mu minus 9 equal to 0. This implies that lambda is equal to 5 and mu is equal to 9. When lambda is equal to 5 and mu is equal to 9, then for lambda is equal to 5, length of matrix A is equal to 2 and mu is equal to 9, length of augmented matrix AB is equal to also 2. Therefore, for an infinite solution, mu is equal to 9 and lambda is equal to 5. This is a required solution. We stop today. In next lecture, we study homogeneous system of linear equation and its problems. Okay, I stop today here. Thank you dear student.